តែមួយទៅ Tell me how to grow taller. Oh, your question haven't been waiting too long. Grow taller. There is a secret that not a secret, not so secret. ពីក្មេងបងផឹកអានេះ So but before you do what I did, consume what I consume it with the ed មិននិយាយរឿងនេះអត់តន់ចាប់ណានិយាយរឿងយំណាអត់តន់ចាប់មិនបាច់និយាយទេ I think វាដាច់ចេះរឿងបានទេមកនិយាយរឿងហ្នឹងនិយាយរឿងផ្សេង You think so? Talk about who first final how the game end. It's simple. Like អាហ្នឹងបងអត់មាន A too deep to like explaining ប៉ុន្តែចុងក្រោយហ្នឹងវាចេះRavi home court and a bit មកខាងទៀត so I'm on so នៅក្នុង so តារាងមកខាងបងមួយ one more time two starter កងនៅសងខាងអញ្ចឹងបងចែកគ្នាម្នាក់ម្ខាងឈរ bit ឈរធ្វើ bit បងនៅម្ខាងនេះអាមិត្តភក្តិបងមួយទៀតប្អូនបងមួយទៀតមកហៅប្អូនវាប្អូនបងប្អូនបងមួយទៀតវាធ្វើ bit ម្ខាងទៀតហើយប្អូនបងហ្នឹងគឺវាគ្នាខាងរារីហីយល់អត់គ្នាខាងរារីយល់អត់វាចង់ឲ្យខាងនោះឈ្នះបងអត់ដឹងថាថៃបានពេលហ្នឹងវាធ្វើដល់អញ្ចឹងវាធ្វើឲ្យ like មើលទៅឃើញស្ដែងពេកចាប់អីដែលអត់ត្រូវចាប់ឡើងគេចង់ដងវាយគ្នាហ្នឹង foul មិនឲ្យ foul គេអត់ foul ហៅគេ foul ហើយពេលណាមិនខឹងពេលហ្នឹងខាងអីគេ Chiefly ហៅវាយឆ្លោះគ្នាហៅវាយគ្នាមួយ Anthony វាយមួយ you know Ryan the Chinese ball guy yeah Ryan is like one of my it's like my boss back then I also have a story about how I get my first job. It was from him and he teach me what I do till this day. He's not like actually told me the exactly thing that you need to be doing in order to run what I ran in my business today, but he just tell me okay let's just make it okay let's just put it this way. He don't teach me how to fish, but he told me where the fish is. You know what I'm saying? Just តែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងវាប្រាប់ឲ្យដឹងថាកន្លែងណាយាយ He used to now he sell different thing sell many thing he sell cigarette he sell I think he opened a pub he opened a court now Print Mall that his court like half of it he owned half of it a lot of thing. Yo, we got 6 views in this bitch. Say what's up. I think this stream there's nothing much going on before. I was gonna like sit here and answer all your questions, just chatting. Alright. Anything? Yo, y'all did not answer what I'm asking. ពីមុននៅបងសួរថាញ៉ាំបាយហើយនៅញ៉ាំមួយអីគេហើយមួយទឹកហើយនៅបើសិនជាអត់តមួយទេតែមួយទៅ Tell me how to grow taller. Oh, your question haven't been waiting too long. Grow taller. There is a secret that not a secret, not so secret. ពីក្មេងបងផឹកអានេះ So but before you do what I did, consume what I consume it with the ed. Ask your parents first. Like ask them whether they allow you to do so. នេះបងផឹកអានេះ Apiton high grow I think high grow weight gain high grow either high grow or weight gain. Let me find the exact one. Yes, this one. Alright, this is the secret. អានេះគឺពីក្មេងបើតាមបងចាំម៉ាក់គាត់ទិញអាហ្នឹងឲ្យបងផឹកដោយសារពីក្មេងបងស្គមហើយឆ្អឹង I was like skinny legend ដូចSotic និយាយមុនហ្នឹង Sotic skinny legend មកពីក្មេងអត់មានសាច់អត់មានស្អីសូម្បីតែពូហ្នឹងបើសិនជាផតឃើញឆ្អឹងរោងឆ្អឹងអស់ហ្មង that like មើលបង pull up reference មើល skinny guy skinny kid nah not skinny kid skinny guy skinny kid maybe around this size yeah around this size are you sure it's safe but បងគិតថាអាហ្នឹងគឺគេមាន limitation សម្រាប់ក្មេងអាយុប្រហែលផឹកទៅបងអត់ដឹងថាអាយុ like 30 maybe it's still in the category that you can still use it it's still alive now so soon it's safe yeah it's safe of course man that's one and the other thing that I take on a daily more than daily មួយថ្ងៃជួនកាលអង្គុយទៅពីប្រហែលមកប៉ុងអីទៅ vitamin C but like បោះខ្មែរកំប៉ុងកម្របលឿងមិនកំប៉ុងអានេះ like name brand ហ្នឹងអានេះ name brand no free promo what damn តើរតណាលែងមានបងគិតថា Apiton ហ្នឹងមកដល់ឥឡូវលែងមានគេលក់លើទីផ្សារទៀតវាហួសអី or maybe it still have but វាដូរ branding ដូរសបកដូរអីចឹងណា alright have y'all seen have y'all heard of any news ដែរមានថ្ងៃនេះមានព័ត៌មានអីថ្មីដែលយើងអាច check មើលបងប្អូនគ្នាព័ត៌មានស្អីគេ the tsunami in Philippines that shit tragic មានឃើញហ្នឹងអត់flood not tsunami flood in Philippines បងឃើញអាប៉ែនោះឡើងលើដំបូលផ្ទះនេះ shit crazy លិចចូលដល់ក្នុងផ្ទះលិចអានេះថំ oh my god it was 6 days ago yeah take that vitamin C a lot vitamin C good for your immune system it's not for the hydro specifically ប៉ុន្តែបងគិតថាផឹកអាហ្នឹងបូកផ្សំគ្នាទៅវាជួយកុំឲ្យឈឺព្រោះអានោះបងគិតថាវាមានសារធាតុអីមួយដែលធ្វើឲ្យអរម៉ូនយើងខុសប្រក្រតីអញ្ចឹងទៅវាត្រូវមានអីមួយដែល cancel out so អាការនោះពេទ្យក៏ recommend ឲ្យធ្វើអញ្ចឹងដូចគ្នាបានបងធ្វើអញ្ចឹងអាហ្នឹងបើតាមបងចាំ do I drink milk not that I remember of yeah ប្រហែលផឹកខ្លះប៉ុន្តែមិនមែនផឹកជាប្រចាំទេដើម្បីឲ្យខ្ពស់ do you watch Suit wait let me check Suit Series oh no I haven't watched Suit I think I might have seen some of his clip on TikTok ប៉ុន្តែអត់ដឹងថាបានមើលអត់ទេអាហ្នឹង yeah y'all watch anime what's your favorite anime so far mine currently Demon Slayer yeah all time favorite Inazuma 11 no wait Izumaki or Inazuma 11 yeah that's what I'm saying Inazuma 11 one of my favorite all time y'all watch this One Piece I tried to watch One Piece for half the first half wait hold on what I'm trying to say បងមើលពាក់កណ្ដាល season ដំបូងតែដល់ពេលមើលទៅឃើញវារបៀបថាសាច់រឿងវាអូបន្លាយពេកអញ្ចឹងចាំមើលអាគេ revamp yeah this shit was great I need one of my favorite anime this is one of my favorite anime ហើយមើលអីទៀត I watch Chainsaw Man One Piece is English Intel D my favorite what's that let me check oh this look interesting and then can APA there is can y'all okay wait hold on can I just like watch the anime is there any like clip initial is there any clip or like trailer about this movie មានអាណាគេ explain ងាយស្រួលមើលអូមានរឿងទៀតមាន live action ទៀតមួយខែមុនមើល live action ទៅមើលវាមិនតួចៅជាលុនទៀត
咩漂移先？點漂啊？一屈拉拉手掣，架車咪掉掉咯。咁啊點啊？型啦！
Delivery guy become a racer. Oh, now I remember the car. I think the car resemble the Nike Dunk. Wait, Nike Dunk initial car. Let me check. Nike. I think at one point I saw that Nike Dunk. Wait, I cannot spell. Initial D. Yeah, this shoes, right? At one point I saw this. It's just a concept. It's not like actually out. Whoever got these, they are fake, you know? They are fake. It's just a concept shoot. It's not real.
如果你跑贏晒群馬山路所有嘅車手，就同你走翻轉咯。
人呢，至緊要可以揾到一個屬於自己嘅世界。台啊，我諗賽車先至係真正屬於你嘅世界啊
！What's going on? And the movie in 2025 they have like a film emulator on the video as well. 每得每條成張張定還張張？
發火
I think so.
車手係應該有火㗎，我都想同佢拍翻轉。
I thought he's old now, but I.
今日會變
當當睇佢呢排條片嗰度，睇佢有乜責任俾佢哋。
晚年贏佢嗰個先至係真正嘅秋名山車神。
Yeah.
點都好啦，今晚我喺秋名山。
It's a concept shoot. It's not real, so.
我學生嗰陣時，你哋叫我廢柴，估唔到而家個仔就廢喎。
Alright, remember the other day I have an ant on my camera. Now I find a solution to like actually bait them into that. 幫拍個再睇幫拍個飛拍拉張 I left the cup with some of the coffee inside that have sugar. ទុកនឹងចោលប្រហែលកន្លះម៉ោងទៅមកស្ទុកក្រោយមើលទៅស្មោះហុងក្នុងនំពេញយកទៅចាក់ចោលអស់មក It's like kill 50 ants at one time. Congratulations to myself to like cracking a way to kill our ants at once. The ant is so annoying. បត់ដឹងថាវាចេញមកពីណាសុកមានស្មោចនៅតុក some kind of shit the rat in the room. It's crazy. Watch initial D stage 4 បងអាហ្នឹង is like anime វាមាន season វាត្រូវហ៎ Yeah, I'm waiting ចាំថាចាំមើលចាំស្អែកចាំបងថតនេះ See There's an ant. There's one ant right here. Hold on. ណែ Here. Oh my god. That and it might be trespassing. Yeah, trespassing. That. What else should we watch? Recommend. I need something to watch before we get into another story. I'm planning this stream. Okay, maybe we can actually end it by 11. បងថាថ្ងៃហ្នឹងបងចង់ react to basketball highlight earlier ប៉ុន្តែដល់ពេលអញ្ចឹងទៅដល់ពេលមើលមិញវាអត់តំណងអញ្ចឹង I'm not gonna like waste your guys time. You can actually just sit down and talk. Bon recommend me some basketball shoes. What type of position? Which position you play right now? Are you a point guard? Are you a big? Are you a wing player? There are different type of shoes that you need to look for in case you want like a specific type of play style you wanted to. In case the Kyrie shoes. Kyrie shoes Nike ឬក៏ Anta រាល់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺ specifically for point guard អ្នកដែលគាត់ចូលចិត្តលេង drag toe ដែលចូលគាត់លេង shifty លេងរបៀបទៀប drag toe ឧទាហរណ៍ you know what I'm saying right drag toe ដូចរបៀបយើងអូសជើង slide ហើយជើង like ប្រឆិតជា on drag toe yeah Kyrie shoes for that អាហ្នឹងគឺសម្រាប់អ្នកដែល like shifty point guard that's what I'm trying to say yo what's wrong with me today នេះនិយាយ like the way I articulate word are different from the other day វាតាក់មិនដឹងនេះ what's happening I have food I have some fruit oh maybe it's Wednesday no National Secondary School game highlight bong link me send me the link where's that which one though ooh oh my ben can you see it? Nó khổ không? I wear well hold on I can actually like go and pick up the shoes for you just for this reason. Giờ bọn vô em mơ bên tay lỡ bọn đạn em mơ xem. Don't go anywhere. Ồ cái này bên link bóng mày đang thả nó tao mơ là nào vậy lag on well I think it's pink